Do you know how to count the repetition value in a list, right? So that for that purpose we will use what? The count method, right, in Python list. So what is that? The count method returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a list, right? That is known as what? The count method. So this is the syntax of count method. List name, right? Then after we will write the count keyword. Then after we will write the name of value. We want to see that how many times it occurs in a list, right? So this is the root list, right? Now we will check the values, write the print. Then after we will write the name of list, right? Then after we will write the count method. Then after I will write the name of value. Now I will run this program. So 3 times I repeated apple. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, right? In the last we have a what? The counting student grades, right? So this is the list of student grades, right? So now I will write the print statement. Then after so we will write the number of A grades, right? Then after I will write the name of what? The count method. Sorry. Then after I will write the name of grades, right? Then I will write the count method. Then I will write the name of grades. Then I will write the count method. Then after I will write the now I will print on the screen and you will get this is the output, right? Number of A grades students are 3. Number of B grades are in 3 स्टूडेंट जो है वो A ग्रेड में है, 2 जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो क्या B ग्रेड में, right? So in the last we have a counting value that does not exist, right? Now I will print what? The print statement. Then I will write the name of list, right? Then I will write the name of count, keyword count. Then I suppose I want to give a 1. Now I will run this program. 1 is 1. Suppose I want to give a 5, right? It is 0. If a value that does not exist, it means that the output will become what? 0, right? The output you will get what? 0. So this is all about Python count method, right? If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. In the next video we will talk about index method.